This video is a tutorial for part 2 of mission 2, One Small Step. So just like before, I'm going to click the hand lens to read about my organisms. Okay, my first one is the Acanthostega. It had 2 strong arm-like bones. It had a flat head with eyes on top, and it had webbed toe-like digits used to aid in swimming. The Euthenopteran had 2 strong arm-like bones, so that's the only trait it has in common with the first organism. The Tiktaalik had 2 strong arm-like bones, just like the other 2, and had a flat head with eyes on the top, just like the first one. However, it does not have that webbed toe-like digits. And the last one is the Tularpatan. Had 2 strong arm-like bones, had a flat head with eyes on top, and had long, slender digits. So these all are kind of a little bit different. However, one thing I'm seeing that they all have in common, they have the 2 strong arm-like bones. The first and third have the flat heads with eyes on top, and so did the last one. However, some of them have some things that are a little different. Like the first one has the webbed toes, and then the last one had the long, slender digits. So if we look at the species comparison page, your elbow joint is your humerus bone, which extends from your shoulder to the radius and ulna bones, which make up your forearm. This bone configuration is one of the first traits that separated the species that evolved into amphibians from fish. About 20 million years after these arm-like bones appeared, some aquatic species developed digits, which we know as our fingers and toes. So this is kind of the evolutionary steps to leading from fish to amphibians. Okay, so the trait they all had in common was the strong arm-like bones. Then there were a couple that had eyes on top of a flat head, and I'm already forgetting already. So I'm going to just double check. So the first one had a flat head with no eyes, or with eyes on top. So did the third one and the fourth one. I'm going to start with those. So my first, third, and fourth all had the eyes on top. Now I'm probably going to have to reconfigure some of these because I'm remembering one of them had long, slender digits. So I'm going to double check that real quick, which was the Turlopiton. Okay, so we're actually good to go. That one should be separate because it has the digits. And then the Euthenopteran had strong arm-like bones, but it did not have eyes on top of a flat head, so we're going to keep it separately. Now I just need to add my traits. The thing that they all have in common is strong arm-like bones. Oh, and I can already see, look, I've actually made a mistake because these have 3 and this one has 2. So I'm going to double check those real quick. Had long, slender digits. Oh, I guess this one also has digits. Okay, so the Acanthostega and the Turpalaton should be together because they both have digits. So the digits would go there, and all 3 of those have eyes on top of their head. And that would be our tree. Remember, answer the question and the questions back in your actual assignment for One Small Step.